Hello, my name is Kevin Mullen. I'm the Bioengineering and Application Support Manager at Elitech Group of Biomedical Systems, formerly Westcore. Today I'm going to make a video about the Chlorochek chloridometer and describing some of the failures that a few customers have experienced and how we can overcome those failures. So first of all, I have a working solution in the Chlorochek, and I'm going to pull down the sample probes, press measure, and press ready, and it will begin the conditioning process. Okay, it asks me to inject the 10 microliters of the 100 millimole standard solution, which I do. And this is the problem many customers have been observing, that it does not recognize the injection of the 10 microliters of the 100 millimole standard solution. This will eventually continue to stir for about 5 minutes and it'll eventually time out.
Okay, I'm just going to record that just for a second in case Mike wants to.
One can try to add more solution to it. Occasionally that might work and occasionally it does not. So on the application support side, we've been getting quite a few calls from customers, maybe close to 5 to 10% of our customers experiencing this problem. And so that's what this video will be describing, is how to overcome this problem and how to correct it so that you don't need to call us and don't need to send back measurement electrodes. Hopefully we can keep you up and running out in the field and keep you satisfied. So stay with us and we'll walk you through how to solve this problem. So if you are experiencing conditioning issues where it either does not condition and eventually times out after about 5 minutes of stirring, or sometimes it may condition after 2 or 3 minutes of stirring. It just took a really long time. All of those symptoms are indicative of a dirty measurement electrode. And the rest of this video will be about how to clean the measurement electrode properly. These instructions are different than what we describe in the manual. We will be coming out with an updated manual to show you how to properly clean the measurement electrode, but for now we will rely on this video to help you clean the measurement electrode. So the first step is to remove the measurement electrode, and we'll be using the cleaning cloths to clean it properly. When cleaning the measurement electrode, you want to make sure that you clean it at a proper angle. The proper angle is the same angle as the silver tips on the measurement electrode. You don't want to clean them upright like that, or perpendicular to the surface, or parallel to the surface. You want to make sure it's angled so that the angle of the silver tips are running along the cleaning cloths properly. The first step of cleaning the measurement electrode is with this pink silver polishing cloth. You want to be aggressive with this and hold it at the right angle and clean it until you see dark lines appear on the cloth, like so. Flip the electrode over and do the same thing on that side as well. Do the sides, so you get all 4 sides of the measurement electrode. Again, with the proper angle as I previously described. Okay? No water was added to this. Occasionally the electrodes may bend together and you need to straighten those back out to be parallel as close as possible. Okay, and after that we bring in the blue cloth, the microfiber cloth. You add a little bit of deionized water, make a little spot, and clean again all four sides. Okay, after that, you rinse with the DI water and dry with a Kim wipe, and straighten out the electrodes if needed. Okay, we'll give this a try in the chlorodometer with a fresh working solution. So now the measurement electrode has been cleaned, installed, and we've prepared a new working solution. We'll lower those, press measure, press ready, and it'll do the conditioning step. Okay, inject the 10 microliters. You can see that quickly recognized the injection and should advance through the conditioning step quickly and easily. Conditioning successful. So from here, we'll continue on with the measurements as usual. Okay, so this measurement electrode that had not recognized the conditioning step after properly cleaning it now does and is measuring as expected. At the end of your session of using the Chlorochek, we recommend that you clean the electrodes again. In order to do that, we press standby and exit to discontinue the measurement and stirring. Pull the electrodes out. Rinse really well with water. And wipe well with a Kim wipe. Wipe dry. Okay. Another change to the manual is how we want you to store the electrodes when not in use. We want you to store them back in the plastic vials that they came in order to prevent oxidation of the electrodes. That's been causing some issues with some users as well. And we'll do that for all three electrodes. So rinse off the black, wipe with a Kim wipe, and put that back as well into its plastic container. And for the red as well. So we want you to store all three electrodes in the plastic containers when the Chlorochek is not going to be in use.